Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Okta integration for no-code app SSO detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Okta developer console. Log in to your Okta account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate that Applications tab in the main menu. Click on Applications to enter the Applications Management section. Select Add Application to start the integration process. In the search bar, type in the name of your no-code application. Choose your application from the results shown. Click on that Add button to start configuring your application. You will now be directed to the configuration settings. Enter a name for your integration in the General Settings section. For the app logo, you can either upload an image or provide a logo URL. Next, find the Sign-On tab within the application settings. Select OpenID Connect as your sign-on method. Scroll down to the Login Redirect URIs section. Enter the redirect URI provided by your no-code application. Scroll further to find the Group Assignments section. Here, you can manage which user groups have access to the application. Click on the Done button to save your changes. Now, go to the Sign-On tab once again for configuration details. Copy the client ID and client secret provided in this section. Next, navigate to your no-code application settings. Look for an SSO or authentication section within your app. Paste the client ID and client secret into their corresponding fields. Next, enter the Okta domain in the required field. This is usually in the format https://youroktadomain.okta.com. Make sure to configure the logout URI as well. Save your changes in the no-code application settings. Next, test the SSO integration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.